Hello again, Izzy at Digital Goja Showrooms. Today we're going to take a look at how to get some beautiful bokeh slash bokeh or depth of field. However you want to pronounce it, we're going to show you how to do it with some of more popular Canon prime lenses. They're 50mm and they're 85mm, both on crop sensor and on full frame cameras. So we're going to take a closer look and make sure that you can get some beautiful imaging done with prime lenses and wonderful bokeh. If this video helps you out, remember to hit us up with a like button underneath, and don't forget to share it with your fellow photographers and videographers. And whenever in Miami, come visit Digital Goja Showrooms. Remember, Digital Goja Showroom has one of the nation's largest in-store selection of authorized Canon cameras and lenses. Now, first one up here is the nifty 50. This guy is the 51.8 STM. Really popular lens. It's still an EF mount lens, so that means it'll work on your full frame cameras, and on a crop sensor camera you take into consideration the 1.6x conversion, but it still gives you a very decent bokeh even for an economical prime lens like this. Now of course their premium is this guy, the 51.2. They both have 8 aperture blades, but on the 1.2 they're rounded to give you that softer, more creamy bokeh effect. Of course the lens is considerably larger, heavier, and pricier, but if that is your end result, you want some beautiful blurred out background and that soft bokeh effect, the 1.2 is the leader when it comes to the 50mm lineup from Canon. And then we can also step up into their portrait lenses, the EF 85mm 1.2 L series version 2. Again, 8 rounded blades that give you beautiful background blur and that soft bokeh effect. Now, they still have their tried and true. This guy's been around for quite a while. This is their EF 85 f1.8 USM. This lens is considerably more economical and lighter weight than its big brother in the 1.2. And again, being an EF mount lens, this will work on both your crop sensor camera, like your 7Ds, your EOS, your Rebels, your 80Ds, and of course, meant for the full frame factor, like your 5D Mark IVs, your 6Ds, your 1DX Mark IIs, and so forth. This guy also has 8 aperture blades. They're just not rounded like it is with the 1.2, and plus that beautiful 1.2 f-stop gives you a little bit more advantage when it comes to blurring out your background. But again, the 1.8 is not a slouch. I'll show you some images. They'll be posted up in the video so you can see the difference between both of these lenses being worked with a crop sensor and a full frame camera. So now you'll be able to figure out which route you want to go to when you want to be able to work with a prime Canon lens to get that incredible bokeh effect. Happy shooting.